What did you do? I've got a dot. Okay, it's fine. Leave the dot.
Hello world, today we are going to be doing I'm gonna put makeup on my mother.
It's gonna be for our Mother's Day. She wants to do something for me, so I said okay. So what did she? She's actually saying I don't have colorful makeup. I only have browns. So she's like, I'm pretty boring apparently. I got nothing colorful. So yeah, she says she's gonna.
Okay.
Let's start.
So what do you always start with when you?
Yeah, we started with the foundation. You just dab.
Okay.
Not so much.
And do I take this? Apply?
Yeah, and then you blend it.
Okay. Move your hand. Let's do some.
You're supposed to just make the foundation
Look like.
blend so that it doesn't look like there's something on.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I should put that. It is me. Okay, I need to put. I'm gonna make her look pretty. More, just a bit.
What? Why are you putting more? Don't put more. No need to put more. Does it look like there's no patches, right?
What patches?
Like patches.
Okay, so.
Okay, next you put the powder.
But it's the same.
That's like a bronzer.
Okay.
A kabuki brush. No, not that. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not a makeup person.
Or maybe it makes your skin lighter.
It sets the foundation so that it doesn't fall off. I don't know. Makeup gurus, help us out. Okay. You don't need to put too much now. You have to also put here.
Okay. Next is.
You can start with the eyebrows.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Don't make me look like a clown.
This one doesn't feel so good. A bit more here. Oh, just combine.
Oh, it's dark black, light black, gray. Oh my gosh, I look like a ghost.
Okay.
Yeah. You don't want putting makeup. I don't know if it looks fine or not.
Okay, what now?
Okay, now.
Eyeliner.
Yeah, do the eyes. Do the eyes. No, you put first the eyeshadows, then the eyeliner.
So I'm going to be putting the eyes.
Okay.
Focus. Okay, yeah, whatever. Yeah. The lighter one.
You put the dark on both eyes first and then the light ones.
Okay. So I'm basically putting it on the sides, making it a bit more darker. Then for the other side. Okay. And now I'm going to use a lighter color here. I use this color, now I'm going to use that one. So wait, I'm first putting it on and then I'll blend it. It's the same color.
The same color?
Yeah! It looks the same. It's fine. I'll fix that later on. It's okay, I'll fix it later on. Ooh. It's looking okay. From the camera you can't really see it, but okay. Okay, I'm done with. Oh no, I didn't do the other eye.
You didn't do the other eye?
Yeah. Don't blame me, I'm a child.
Don't blend you.
So. Yeah, there we go. That looks fine enough. Oh, I forgot the whatever this is. Contour stick, whatever.
I never use it, but she saw it and she decided she's gonna.
Which side? This side?
I think the darker side. The darker side? You put like a line. Where's the line? Yeah.
I did that for fun.
Yeah, I think.
Then what?
And then you blend it.
So now I'm gonna blend it with. What am I supposed to use?
The blending sponge. So you must like dab it so that it doesn't look like there's some makeup on it. How does it look?
It's horrible. Okay, I couldn't find that part. Still doing it without looking at her. Why am I keep whispering?
I don't know why you're whispering. Talk loud.
Okay. It's so far away. Problems. No. Nah. So why I went back there is because this thing dropped down under the couch. Oh. Yeah. It went on me here. I'm gonna choose the purple one because maybe it'll look nice. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, so this is working out kind of good. Can you guys see that? Kind of nice.
I see.
This is some good business.
Okay, next. How do I look, guys? Is she doing it right? Is she doing?
Does this even show? I should put a bit more blue.
And we have to go out after this.
So she's gonna wear it. Wow.
She said I mustn't take it out. We're going somewhere after this. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's gonna be so nice. It's stuck there. And where we'll be going is on the second floor.
Right. What next?
Secret places to hide things.
So far, so good.
Yeah. Can you see it? Try my best.
I don't see nothing, but okay.
Oh damn! Oh shoot! It's not working.
Okay, next.
No.
What did she do? I've got a dot. Okay, it's fine. Leave the dot.
Oh shoot! How do you take it away? But it's not working out. It's horrible. It's horrible. Look at yourself. See,
Okay, what's next?
what is that?
Blush.
Blush.
Make me look pink.
Isn't that a bad thing that you make the blush because then somebody thinks you're blushing?
No. Just to put some color. The blush just put some color on the face.
Hello. I'm sorry. How do you
Okay.
put on perfect eyeliner?
Eyeliner.
It's the hardest thing ever.
Eyeliner, you never get to perfect it the first time. So yeah, I'm gonna
It's
walk out
so
like
hard.
this.
I found a way.
That's not lipstick.
I want to try something.
that's not lipstick.
I know, but I want to try some.
Okay.
I saw this all over YouTube.
You saw it on YouTube? Okay.
So I don't know. You'll find out. I don't know if it'll
Oh,
work.
like make my lips shine?
No.
Okay. Okay. Put more what? Okay, what else? What is that? What are you so fascinated about that thing? That's not lipstick.
I know, but it will work. Just like this. You see yourself? Can you see her?
Okay, are we done? Is that it?
Yes.
How do I look, guys? Okay, guys, so this is the Annie makeup look. If you want her to put makeup on you, just put the link in the comment down below. This is my Mother's Day look. Today is Mother's Day, so this is how I'm gonna look today. So if you see me with a what?
So that is the end of the video. Aha.
Okay, so I must put my hair down, and then it's gonna look so pretty. Let's see. Ooh, I'm gonna show my collie. Oh, okay.
Model.
Okay, good.
Your model. Okay, so that is my final look. Tell me if you like it down in the comments down below. Don't blame me, I'm still a child. This is my first time. Okay.
Not bad for a first time. Hey.
Yeah. Not so bad. Okay. Okay, so that's how I put makeup on my mom for Mother's Day. Thanks for watching. And if you are new here, go and click the red thing. What?
Subscribe button.
Red button. And like or share the video. Okay, you did it. So if you didn't click that like button, click it now.
Click.
Okay, you did it. Now, bye for now.